How to find out your blood type? Finding out your blood type is relatively simple. You can have your doctor order a test. Get the information when donating blood. Take an home blood test. How to determine your blood type? Your blood type is comprised of two blood groups ABO and RH. Blood types are based on the antigen on the surface of your red blood cell. An antigen is a substance that triggers an immune response by your body against the substance. The presence of specific antigen distinguishes ABO blood types. The type A has a antigen, type B has B antigen, type AB has both A and B antigen, the type O has neither A or nor B antigen. Once a ABO blood type has been determined, it can be further defined by identifying the rhesus factor. RH positive, if you have reached RH antigen on the surface of your red blood cell, you have RH positive blood. RH negative, if you don't have the RH antigen on the surface of your red blood cell, you have RH negative blood. By including the RH factor, the 8 most prevalent blood types can be identified: A plus or A minus, B plus or B minus, AB plus or AB minus, O plus or O minus. How is blood testing typically done? A phlebotomist, someone trying to draw the blood, will use a needle to draw the blood from your arm or hand at your doctor's office, a clinical laboratory, or a hospital. The typical method for typing the blood involves two steps: forward typing, reverse typing. Forward typing. The first step is called the forward typing. Your blood cells are mixed with antibodies against type A and type B blood, and the sample is checked to see whether the blood cells stick together. That is agglutinated. If blood cells stick together, it means your blood cell reacted with one of the antibodies. For example, if your blood cells agglutinate when mixed with antibodies against type B blood, you have type B blood. Reverse typing. The second step is called back typing or reverse typing. The liquid part of your blood without the red blood cell is mixed with the blood cell that are known to be a type A and type B. People with type A blood have the antibody against the type B blood in their serum, and those with the type A blood have the antibody against the type A blood in their serum. Type O blood contains both anti-A and anti-B antibody. So for example, if the agglutination occurs when your serum is mixed with the type B blood cells, you have type A blood. Summary and RH typing. ABO testing should include both forward and reverse typing. The result from the forward typing is a patient's blood type. Reverse typing is a cross-check for forward typing and provides a confirmation of result. Next, your blood will be mixed with the anti-RH serum. If your blood cells respond by clumping together, you have RH positive blood. How can I find out my blood type at home? In at home blood typing test, they typically ask that you prick your finger with a lancet and put drops of your blood on the special card. After putting the blood on the card, you can observe the areas where the blood clumps or spreads out and then match those reactions to an included guide. Some home testing kits have vials of fluid of your blood as opposed to be a card. How to find out your blood type for free? One way to find out your blood type is to donate the blood. If you donate to the community blood supplies, ask the staff if they will be able to tell you your blood type. Many donation centers are able to provide that information. Typically, you won't get your blood type immediately and may have to wait a few weeks, as blood isn't commonly tested right away. Can blood type be determined without drawing a blood? About 80% of people secrete the blood group antigen in the body fluid such as saliva, mucus and sweat. This group of people is referred to as secretors. Secretors have their blood type determined by the saliva or other body fluid test. Blood typing kits using the saliva are available online, but they are typically more expensive. Using one of the kits, you will first learn whether you have a secretor. If you are, then you will be able to determine your ABO blood type. Takeaway: there are a number of ways you can determine your blood type, including visiting your doctor, going to a hospital or the clinical laboratory for the blood test, donating the blood, and getting a home testing kit. If you are in the category of people who secrete the blood group antigen in your body fluids, you may be able to find out the blood type without having the blood drawn. Thank you.